In the last class, we started this chapter into the wild, है ना? इसका जो part 1 है Lost in the Jungle, this we had read, right? इसमें जो writer है किरण पुरंदरे, उन्होंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया है when he gets lost in the jungle and finally he is able to find his way back. ठीक है, आज इसका हम पार्ट 2 पढ़ने वाले हैं, that is tracking the panther of Nagarhole. Shiaz Jung is a wildlife photographer, cinematographer, big cat tracker, man-animal conflict resolution seeker, and lodge owner all rolled into one. So he is a person who lives in the area, who works towards, who is able to track wild animals, big cats, and he loves to photograph them, make videos, and he tries as much as possible कि animals humans की life में प्रॉब्लम ना करें और humans animals की life में प्रॉब्लम ना करें, right? When he's away in the jungles of Nagarhole, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi National Park, he's leading photography safaris in Africa or showcasing his work at art galleries in capital cities, or showcasing his art at art galleries in capital cities and speaking to those interested in conserving the planet's riches. Shaz recalls with great clarity the incident that ultimately leads to his answering the call of the felines over a career dedicated to finance. तो ये भी पहले फाइनेंस के वर्ल्ड में थे और फिर वहां से वो उन्होंने अपना फील्ड चेंज किया और वो फेलाइन कहते हैं कैट्स को, राइट? टाइगर्स आल्सो फॉल इनटू द कैट फैमिली. सो इसे इस फाइनेंस की दुनिया को छोड़ के वो कैट्स की वर्ल्ड में आ गए. कैसे आए? फोटोग्राफर, सिनेमेटोग्राफर, ट्रैकर बनके और लॉज ओनर, राइट? We were at a junction. The deer were calling, he says. We went around a blind turn, he continues, and up ahead on the path was this old leopard. You could tell he was past his prime. The jungle had taken a toll on him. He only had 3 canines. Canines are those teeth जो wild animals use करते हैं मीट को फाड़ने के लिए, right? तो शार्प टीथ, दे आर कॉल्ड कैनाइन्स. तो उसके सारे दांत टूट चुके थे, सिर्फ 3 कैनाइन उसके बचे थे. हिज आईज वर सैगिंग, सैगिंग माने लटकना. उसकी आंखें सूज चुकी थी, बहुत बूढ़ा हो चुका था और उसके सिर्फ 3 कैनाइन बचे थे. Close to this leopard was another very young, good-looking male who was about to come soon to come into his prime. It was like looking at the past and the present. It was clear that there was going to be a fight. Unfortunately, the sun was setting and we had to leave. तो देख के समझ गए थे कि जो बुजुर्ग लेपर्ड है और जो बहुत ही यंग लेपर्ड है, दोनों में लड़ाई होने वाली है टेरिटरी के पीछे. हम देखना चाहते थे लेकिन क्योंकि अंधेरा हो रहा था और अंधेरे में रुकना सेफ नहीं है तो हमें जाना पड़ा. वी हैड टू लीव. सफारीज में क्या होता है कि आपको एक सर्टेन टाइम के बाद आपको वहां से बाहर निकलना पड़ता है. आप अंदर नहीं रह सकते बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सेफ फॉर यू टू बी इन द फॉरेस्ट at night. But the next morning, I went back to the spot. Sitting on a high rock was that young leopard. Blood was dripping from a gash across his face. He sat there like he was king of the jungle. I knew right then that he had taken over that it was the beginning of a new journey for him and for me. तो वो समझ गए कि रात को वो जो दूसरा ओल्ड लेपर्ड है उसकी मौत हो चुकी है. हालांकि ये जो यंग लेपर्ड है ये घायल था, इसके मुंह पे बहुत बड़ा एक ऐसा कट था जिससे खून निकल रहा था, लेकिन वो विजयी रहा एंड ही बिकेम द किंग ऑफ द जंगल और एक नई यात्रा शुरू हुई. फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ दैट लेपर्ड द विक्टर स्कारफेस, तो उसका नाम रख दिया स्कारफेस क्योंकि उसके फेस पे स्कार था. As Shah's named him, not only made Shah's famous among India's wildlife community, but also led to Shah's enviable reputation as a chronicler of the wild. तो जब उसकी कहानी स्कारफेस की कहानी शाज ने फोटो खींचे, बाहर की दुनिया को दिखाई, तो उनकी एक रेप्यूटेशन बन गई कि जंगल में जो होता है वो उसको बाहरी दुनिया को दिखाते हैं, बताते हैं. ओके.
Shah's enviable reputation as a chronicler of the wild.
इसका ट्रांसलेशन देख लेते हैं.
वन्यसृष्टीचे वृत्तांत मांडणारा म्हणून शाझची असलेली वाखाणण्याजोगी ख्याती.
ठीक है. तो उनकी रेपुटेशन बन गई थी कि जो जंगल में होता है वो बाहर की दुनिया को उससे फेमिलियराइज कराते हैं, है ना. जंगल की दुनिया को बाहर वाली दुनिया को देखने का, दिखाने का मौका देते हैं. राइट. ओके. Through my journey of photographing Scarface, I have discovered other leopards, his mates, and discovered his nemesis, tigers. I also discovered the current protagonist of my work, Saya, while tracking Scarface. तो Scarface को ट्रैक करते करते उन्होंने और बहुत सारे leopards को भी उसके साथ देखा है, और टाइगर्स को भी, और साया को भी उसी के थ्रू उन्होंने उनको साया मिली. This is the world's first black panther, the behavior of which is being documented so intimately on camera by tracking its movements. So far, all the research on the animal has been done through camera traps. आपको दिखाती हूँ एक बारी. ये साया है, मैंने आपको पहले भी कभी शायद इसका दिखाया होगा. ये साया है और ये क्लियोपैट्रा है. इतना गजब का सुंदर. तो स्कारफेस को फॉलो करते करते उनको साया पहली बार दिखा. वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट ब्लैक पैंथर. इससे पहले किसी ने किसी ब्लैक पैंथर की कभी कोई फोटोग्राफ नहीं ली थी. Through many months of toil, Shahs has managed to collect precious footage, including that of animal mating, to piece together the incredible landscape of a black panther's life. जब उन्होंने पहली बार ये फोटोग्राफ्स इंस्टाग्राम पे डाली थी तो पूरी दुनिया बावली हो गई थी. उनको लगा इतना सुंदर, इतना हैंडसम, और ये एक्चुअली में एक ब्लैक पैंथर हो सकता है. तो वो उसके फोटोग्राफ्स डालते थे ऑनलाइन और पूरी दुनिया उसको बड़े चाव से देखती थी. Saya, Scarface, and Pardus. The leopard that lost to Scarface had also led Shahs down a different path of discovery. Learning about them and the loss of their habitat has led Shahs to create the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. It's an agency that educates villagers who live on the fringe of the forest on the importance of conservation. तो हम अपनी सेफ्टी के बारे में तो सोचते हैं, but we forget that we are taking away the land that belongs to these animals. We are in the heart of the man-animal conflict zone, explains Shaz. There is no specific buffer zone here around Nagarhole. The core area of the forest ends where the fields begin. In dry season, elephant and wild boar incursions into fields are very common. तो जो border areas पे villages होते हैं वहां पे बहुत common है कि जानवर villages में आ जाते हैं, बकरियों को, भेड़ों को उठा के ले जाते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही वहां पे common scene है. Older leopards like Pardus, Pardus कौन था? वो जो जिसको स्कारफेस ने मार के जिसको राजा बना था, right? Other leopards like Pardus have lost their territory in the forest, often carry away livestock from villages. जब जंगल खत्म हो जाते हैं तो लेपर्ड्स के पास कोई चॉइस नहीं रहता, फिर वो गांव में आते हैं और फिर गांव वालों की जो लाइव स्टॉक है, जो भेड़ बकरियां गाय भैंस, उनको मार के ले जाते हैं. This creates resentment among locals towards the animals, on occasions leading to unpleasant situations. तो जब ऐसा होता है तो लोगों को उन पे बहुत गुस्सा आता है और कई बार वो जानवरों को नुकसान भी पहुंचा देते हैं. Putting tourist currency to good use, under the BCRTI umbrella, Shaz provides locals with vocational training with the aim of educating locals on the merits of conservation and to help them benefit from tourist currency. The visitors at the resort are welcome to volunteer to teach a skill training class of their choice. तो बाहर से जो visitors आते हैं वो locals के लिए training class ले सकते हैं. The acquired skills enable locals to find employment in any of the numerous wildlife resorts in the region, if not in a faraway city. अगर किसी को वहीं रह के काम करना है तो वो लोगों को उस तरह की ट्रेनिंग दिलवाते हैं कि वो रिजॉर्ट में जो तरह तरह की नौकरियां हैं उस वहां वो नौकरी कर सकते हैं. Madegowda is one such local agriculturist who is trained at BCRTI and is now a certified naturalist employed by the bison. In the past, I've lost almost 80% of a season yield of sugarcane to such animal attacks. I used to hate them. But now I've learned how important these animals are and the value of protecting them. तो उनमें से माडेगौड़ा एक लोकल एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट हैं जो जब खेती करते थे तो कहते थे कि मेरी 80% खेती ये जानवर खराब कर देते थे और मुझे इन पे बहुत गुस्सा आता था, लेकिन अब मुझे समझ में आता है कि ये जानवर भी जरूरी हैं, इनकी भी इम्पोर्टेंस है. I have known these jungles for 35 years. I know where the animals are and I realize I can guide visitors and get paid for it. In a way, the animals are paying me back. कहते हैं कि मैं 35 साल से इन जंगलों को जानता हूँ और इसलिए मैं बहुत अच्छा गाइड हूँ. मैं विजिटर्स को जंगल में ले जाता हूँ, ये जानवर दिखाता हूँ और इस तरह से अब जानवर मेरी गृहस्थी चला रहे हैं. The forests have taught me many things. For instance, listening is a sense far more important than sight. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen, for the forest is constantly communicating through the voices of birds and animals, he explains. Tracking an animal also teaches you life lessons. The black panther has taught me patience. But above all, it has taught me to never stop discovering. There are just so many amazing experiences to learn and share with the wild. एक बार इसका ट्रांसलेशन सुन लेते हैं, फिर आपको तीनों का I'll show you the picture of Scarface and the other animals that he has tracked over time. So he says, the forests have taught me many things. For instance, listening is a sense far more important than sight. So in a forest, it's more important to listen carefully than to see, because you may not see a lot of things because of camouflage and other reasons, but sound travels fast. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen, for the forest is constantly communicating through the voices of birds and animals. He explains, tracking an animal teaches you life lessons. The black panther has taught me patience, but above all, it has taught me to never stop discovering. अगर ये ब्लैक पैंथर का फोटो नहीं लेते तो पूरी दुनिया को पता ही नहीं था कि ब्लैक पैंथर जैसा भी कोई जानवर है. There are just so many experiences to learn and share with the world.
जंगलांनी मला अनेक गोष्टी शिकवल्या आहेत. उदाहरणार्थ, पाहण्यापेक्षा ऐकणे ही अधिक महत्त्वाची इंद्रिय क्रिया आहे. तुम्हाला तुमचे वाहन बंद करून शांत बसावे लागते आणि कान देऊन ऐकावे लागते. कारण जंगल सतत संवाद साधत असते, पक्षी आणि प्राण्यांच्या आवाजांतून, असे ते सांगतात. प्राण्यांचा मागोवा घेणे हे देखील जीवनाचे धडे देते. ब्लॅक पॅथर ने काळ्या बिबट्याने मला संयम राखायला शिकवले. पण त्याहीपेक्षा महत्त्वाचे म्हणजे त्याने मला नवनवीन गोष्टींचा शोध घेणे कधीही न थांबवण्याची शिकवण दिली. कारण शिकण्यासारखे आणि जगासोबत वाटून घेण्यासारखे असे अनेक अद्भुत अनुभव आहेत.
ठीक है? So this is what he has learned in the forest, right? हम एक बार देख लेते हैं कौन कौन से एनिमल्स की वो बात कर रहा था. साया मैंने आपको एक दो और साया का दिखाती हूँ, फिर आपको स्कारफेस दिखाती हूँ. ये बहुत ही सुंदर था. ये देखो, ये है साया. कितना सुंदर, कितना मैजेस्टिक. हम और आप कभी वहां नहीं गए हैं, लेकिन इन फोटोग्राफ्स के द्वारा हम उनको देख सकते हैं. Look at their eyes. Isn't it amazing? And the next animal is Scarface. Let's see what Scarface looks like. Scarface leopard. ये Scarface है. This is Scarface. Right? And what was the third one? Pardoos, the old leopard, जिसको Scarface ने defeat किया था, हरा के उसने. Okay. Now this is when he had grown old, right? ये है आपका परदूस. ही इज ऑल्सो सो हैंडसम, है ना। तो ये फोटोग्राफ्स इतना, जो फोटोग्राफर्स होते हैं हमें वो दुनिया दिखाते हैं जो हम और आप घर बैठे देख पाते हैं, राइट। ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स कम टू द क्वेश्चंस। तुलसीराम, तुलसीराम, म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
हेला तर नाही होत आता, हे लाईट नाही येत अजून. हा? आलू नको रे, हार.
ओके, सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। तो हमने इन तीनों को देखा, दे आर सो अमेजिंग, breathtaking, so handsome. Okay, let's come to the questions now. In groups, organize a role. In groups, organize a role. One second. Associated with wildlife expert, wildlife photographer, wildlife conservator, explaining the differences and similarities in their profession. तो वाइल्ड लाइफ एक्सपर्ट वो है जिसको वाइल्ड लाइफ के बारे में सब पता है, राइट। तो हमें इनके बारे में डिफरेंसेस और सिमिलैरिटीज बतानी है। ये सब वाइल्ड लाइफ को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, जानवरों को बहुत अच्छे से समझते हैं, जंगल के बारे में इनको बहुत समझ है, पेड़ पौधों को लेकर भी इनको बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, राइट। इनमें डिफरेंसेस क्या है? जो वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेटर है वो जानवरों को, पेड़ों को, औषधियों को, उनको कैसे बचाया जा सकता है उस पे काम करते हैं। वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर्स जो होते हैं वो वाइल्ड लाइफ के फोटोग्राफ्स लेते हैं, और जो एक्सपर्ट है वो जानवरों के बारे में, पेड़ पौधों के बारे में, उनके इलाके के बारे में, उनकी आदतों के बारे में वो एक्सपर्ट होते हैं, वो बहुत कुछ जानते हैं, ठीक है। ये हमने लास्ट टाइम कर लिया था। करेक्ट द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स। Earlier, Shaz was in the field of finance. This is true. BCRTI was founded out of genuine urge to conserve the habitat of wildlife. ये भी true है। Shaz wildlife का जो अपने लिए हम इलाके बना लेते हैं जंगल काट के, जानवरों के लिए कौन बोलेगा, राइट। तो जो शाह ने ये बनाई, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये एनिमल्स के हैबिटेट को प्रोटेक्ट करती थी। जानवर जहां पे रहते हैं उस इलाके में हम इंसान छेड़छाड़ ना करें, उसके लिए वो इस पे काम करते थे। शाह फेल टू रियलाइज द फाइनेंस इंकर्ड आउट ऑफ टूरिज्म। ये गलत है। शाह ने नई नई काम इंकरेज किए कि जो वाइल्ड लाइफ है उससे लोगों को काम मिल सके, राइट, सो दैट पीपल कैन मेक मनी आउट ऑफ टूरिज्म। कि आपको जंगल से लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप जंगल से अपना रोजी रोटी कमा सकते हैं, राइट। So Shah successfully utilized tourist income for conservation and local welfare. कि जो टूरिज्म से पैसा आता है उससे जो लोकल्स हैं, जो आसपास रहने वाले लोग हैं, उनको कैसे फायदा हो सकता है। Seeing is more essential than listening. ये बिल्कुल सही है। ये उन्होंने बोला था कि जंगल में देखने से ज्यादा सुनना जरूरी है, राइट। क्योंकि हो सकता है आप बहुत कुछ ना देख पाए, लेकिन बाकी जानवरों की आवाज से आप बहुत कुछ समझ सकते हैं, क्योंकि बाकी बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स आपको वो सब भी बता देते हैं जो आपको आंखों से नहीं दिख रहा है, राइट। अगर लेपर्ड थोड़ा दूर भी है तो आपको जानवरों की आवाजों से, पक्षियों के शोर से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आसपास कोई टाइगर या लेपर्ड है, राइट? ओके, साइंस ऑफ द विसिनिटी ऑफ द विलेज ये हमने लास्ट टाइम कर लिया था. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैंडल्ड बाय शाज. शाज क्या क्या जिम्मेदारियां निभाते हैं वो हमने बहुत शुरू में ही देखा था. अगर आप देखेंगे जहां पे हमने शाज के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू किया था. ओके ओके ओके, नॉट हियर, नॉट हियर, नॉट हियर. Here he says wildlife photographer, cinematographer, big cat tracker, lodge owner, and man animal conflict resolution seeker, right? These are all the positions that Shah's Jung has held. Okay, ये सारी आप यहाँ पे टेबल में लिख सकते हैं. ये हम कर चुके हैं, ये भी कर चुके हैं. ओके, choose appropriate phrases and expressions from the extract given in brackets. Time and again, to one's heart's content, frantic speed, in a jiffy. In a jiffy माने जल्दी जल्दी, हड़बड़ाहट में. Frantic speed माने बहुत स्पीड से. To one's heart's content means तसल्ली से जी भर के. Time and again माने बार बार, right? I was on a diet for some days, but today I'm going to eat to my heart's content. Every mother scolds her children time and again for the overuse of mobile phones. सब माएँ पीछे पड़ रहते हैं अपने बच्चों के कि इतना मोबाइल पे टाइम मत बिताया करो, right? All their educational problems were sorted out in a jiffy because of the funds given by the NGO, right? कि एक सेकेंड में उनकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का हल हो गया. कैसे? जब एनजीओ ने उनको फंड्स दे दिए. Raj ran at a dash to catch the train. Raj ran at a frantic speed to catch the train. Begin the following sentences with words given in brackets. तो जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड्स हैं उससे आपको सेंटेंस शुरू करना है. I can guide visitors. Visitors can be guided by me. Animals are paying me back. I'm being paid back by the animals. The behavior of the first Black Panther is being documented. They are documenting the behavior of the first Black Panther. All the research on the animal has been done through camera traps. They have done all the research on the animal through camera traps. Madegowda is employed by the bison. The bison has employed Madegowda. The surroundings were reminding me. I was reminded by the surroundings. Raju was amazed at my solitary visits to Umbazara. My solitary visits to Ambazara amazed Raju. I found a bright red soil ट्रेल होना चाहिए. This is a misprint. ट्रायल नहीं होना चाहिए, AIL होना चाहिए. I found a bright red soil trail. A bright red soil trail was found by me. Older leopards like Pardus carry away livestock from villages. जो शेर चीते बूढ़े हो जाते हैं तो वो शिकार नहीं कर पाते and their jungles are taken away from them, तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो गांव में जाके गांव के जानवरों को ले जाते हैं. Right? Livestock from villages is carried away by older leopards like Pardos. I've lost almost 80% of a season's yield of sugarcane. 80% of a season's yield of sugarcane has been lost by me. Tracking an animal also teaches you life lessons. Life lessons can be taught tracking an animal. Many things have been taught to me by the forests. The forests have taught me many things. Resentment among locals towards the animals is created by this. This has created resentment among locals, or this has created resentment among the locals towards the animals. Next question में rewrite the sentences using not only but also. When there are two actions, this is how you respond, right? You use not only but also. The petrified langurs speeded to the trees near and far and secured their places on the tree tops. The petrified langurs not only speeded to the trees but also secured their places on the tree tops. जब दो actions होते हैं, so the action that happens first, you use not only, and for the second action, you use but also. Okay? Umbarzara is the haven for tigers, leopards, and sloth bears. Umbazara is a haven not only for tigers and leopards, but also sloth bears. Right? I crossed the cement pillar and stones stacked by the Forest Development Corporation. I not only crossed the cement pillar, but also the stones stacked by the Forest Development Corporation. Okay? Now, your college has decided to celebrate the World Environment Day. Mr. Kiran Purandare has been invited as chief guest. Imagine you're the chief guest. Imagine you're the secretary of the nature club of your college and you have to conduct an interview of Mr. Kiran Purdare. Frame 8 to 10 questions of the same. So if you had to take an interview of this person, what questions would you ask? Right? So you can ask him about his experience, right? All that he went through. You can also ask about his future plans. You can ask him about this book that he's written, right? So these are some important questions you can ask him. So if you have to ask 10 questions, what will you ask? How did you get interested in wildlife? Right? And some memorable experiences that you have had in the forest. Right? I'm sure he would have very interesting stories to share. Then you can talk about, now that we have technology, we have drones, we have we can take pictures through uh, using technology and all of that. So nobody needs to be physically there in the jungle. The jungle can be supervised through uh, camera, drones and stuff. So you can ask him, how can technology help in wildlife conservation, right? And what can students do? How can students contribute to the environment, right? Environment conservation. The future belongs to the children, right? To the students. So what can they do to keep the things moving? What can they do to conserve nature? That is very important, right? Because the youngsters need to take charge, because they are the guardians of the world in the future. In fact, right now, right? So these are some questions that you can ask. What inspired you to dedicate your life to nature and wildlife? How did your journey as a wildlife conservationist begin? What are the biggest threats faced by forests and wildlife today? Right? Can you share some of your memorable experiences? What can students do about environment conservation? One project that you are proud of and why? There are some projects that are very close to people's heart. कि मैंने इसमें बहुत मेहनत की थी, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा था. This is one of my favorite projects. So I'm sure he would have some interesting story to share, right? Any message that you would like to give to the students, because he's being invited to a school, right? And how can technology help in wildlife conservation? And what are your future plans for? So any future plans that you have that you are going to do to conserve nature, and we can help in that, right? To 8 to 10 questions you can frame. I've shared some examples with you. Imagine you visited the jungles of Nagarhole. Write a report to be published in your college magazine or in a local newspaper. So imagine you've been to that jungle, you've seen Saya and Scarface for yourself. So you have to write a report for your college magazine. So I can share an example with you. Okay. Recently, I had the opportunity to visit the famous Nagarhole National Park in Karnataka. The visit was both exciting and educational. The dense forests, the flowing streams, and the rich biodiversity made the experience unforgettable. During the safari, we spotted deer, elephants, wild boars, peacocks, and several species of birds. We also learned about the importance of wildlife conservation and the efforts taken by the forest officials to protect endangered animals and their habitats. So, a lot of animals are on the verge of growing extinct. We have taken away their habitats and they have no place to go, and we are also killing them. So, during this trip, we not only spotted these animals, but we learned about the importance. Why is it important? Wildlife conservation, and what is the government doing to protect the endangered animals. The natural beauty of the forest, along with the discipline maintained by visitors, impressed us greatly. The visit helped us understand the need to preserve forests for future generations. हमें आइडिया ही नहीं है कि फॉरेस्ट इतने इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों हैं. इस विजिट से It helped us understand the need to preserve forests for the future generations. Overall, the trip was informative and inspiring. It strengthened our commitment to protecting nature and wildlife. So, this is your report for the newspaper, right? So, these are the two writing tasks that we have discussed. Let's move on to the third one. This is an appeal. Shaz has contributed towards conserving wild animals and their habitat. Your college has decided to spread the message in the society and arrange a rally. Right? Prepare an appeal to ensure maximum participation, informing about the day, date, and other details. So, एक appeal बनाइए that people join the rally in large numbers. So, you have to mention the day, what day is the rally happening, what is the date that day, and other details. Where does the rally start? Where does the rally end? What are the timings? Is it a 1 hour program? Or whatever details that you would like to share. Okay. So this is one example. So it begins with a slogan: Save wildlife, save nature. The nature club of our college is organizing, or you can make it school if you want, is organizing a wildlife conservation rally to spread awareness about protecting wild animals and their habitats. The day is Sunday, the date is 15th, time is 8 a.m. and the venue is college ground or school ground or a park nearby. The rally will include awareness slogans, placards, and speeches on wildlife conservation. Students, teachers, parents, and citizens are requested to participate actively and make the event successful. Let us join hands to protect our precious wildlife and create a greener future. Right? And this is from the Secretary Nature Club. So, your appeal can look like this. You can add your own details about the date, day, time, and venue. And here also, you can edit it and write your own description. Okay. So, we've done 3. 1 second. Okay. Nature is a great teacher and a guide. Complete the mind map as instructed. Nature teaches. What all does nature teach? Right? He says, don't stop discovering. He says, listening is more important than sight. One is this. Right? Second is patience. Third is to never stop discovering. Right? So these are 3 things that you can add to the mind map. Right? What is the 4th? Patience, discipline, adaptability, harmony, cooperation. You can keep adding these. Okay. Now this is research that you can do after the class. Pata karo wildlife photographer banne ke liye what are the qualifications you need? What is the eligibility? Eligibility is sometimes age, health, and lots of other reasons. Criterias, right? Criteria to be a wildlife photographer. What are the qualifications and eligibility to be a geologist, to be a tour manager, to be an environmentalist, and to be a forest ranger? इन सब की अपनी अपनी qualifications होंगी और eligibility होगी. Eligibility can be of age and other criteria. So you can research about them and you can find out, right? So what are the qualifications that are needed to be to work in the forest at all these positions, right? And that's the end of our chapter. We reached the end of the class, and after the class, the resource is going to be shared with you. I'll just show you into the wild. Here you go. This is your resource. It has the answers to your icebreaker questions, right? And this is your vocabulary table where all the words that you have, new words that are there in this chapter, are also here in this table. There is the Hindi meaning given, there is the meaning given in Marathi, and an English sentence using that word, right? Hide. Hide माने छिपने का स्थान. The photographer sat in a hide. छुप के फोटोग्राफ्स ले रहा था वो, है ना? अगर वो जानवरों को दिख जाएगा तो जानवर भाग जाएंगे, right? So that's a hide. Avifauna is पक्षियों का समूह, right? India has rich avifauna. Okay, camouflage, छिपाया हुआ. Camouflage is, if you look at this, ये आर्मी ड्रेस क्यों होती है? कि वो जंगल में अगर हो तो वो दिखे ना, वो पेड़ों में मैच कर जाए, राइट? इसमें आप देखेंगे द आउल इज नॉट, द आउल इज blending into the background, right? These are examples of camouflage. This is another example of camouflage. अब देखो जैसे stones है ऐसा ही ये एनिमल ने अपना कलर कर लिया है, तो वो ऑलमोस्ट दिख ही नहीं रहा है वहां पे, है ना? So this is an example of camouflage. When the animal changes color to blend with the background. इसमें देखो ग्रीन हो गया, इसमें देखो उसी कलर का हो गया. So this is an example of camouflage, right? इसमें देखो ये आउल ट्री के ही कलर का है, तो वो दूर से देखोगे आपको लगेगा कोई लकड़ी है. You can't make out that it's an animal. That's an example of camouflage, right? So like this, you can learn all these new words. Make sure you make sentences with them. And this document will also have the summary. बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है, तो इसका शॉर्ट में जो मेन पॉइंट्स है उसका समरी इसमें शॉर्ट में है, और जो आपके अभी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग क्वेश्चंस हमने किए हैं उनके आंसर्स भी आपको इस डॉक्यूमेंट में मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है बेटा? क्लास के बाद दिस रिसोर्स इज गोइंग टू बी शेयर्ड विद यू. ऑलराइट बेटा, बाय.